The use of Buy Now Pay Later (BNLP) has grown exponentially in the last couple of years and is becoming more and more popular among customers. Often, BNPL solutions are used to replace traditional credit for purchases. They offer interest-free financing options for customers who pay within a set window. Buy Now Pay Later payment models are characterized by convenience, flexibility, and transparency. Consumers today are looking for more flexible payment options, and this is where BNPL comes in. Installment payments are a great way to spread the cost of a big-ticket item over time. They also make acquiring goods and services easier and less painful. Now, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, make sure you click on the bell to turn on notifications. What is a Buy Now Pay Later plan? Buy Now Pay Later is a type of financing that is offered by many retailers and online shops. This type of financing is not an extension of credit, however, it allows consumers to purchase items now and make the payments later on or over a period of time. This type of credit is typically used for larger purchases that may be difficult to afford all at once. There are two main different types of Buy Now Pay Later plans: deferred payment and installment loans. Let's take a look at both of them. Deferred payment is when the buyer pays for their purchase in lump sum at the end of the agreement. Installment loans require monthly payments over a set period of time, usually 12 months or less. The monthly payments are typically calculated based on how much you owe and what your credit score is. Signing up and getting approved for a BNPL plan is easier than you think. All you need to do is fill out a form, and within minutes, you will be approved. There are many companies that offer Buy Now Pay Later options, but the most popular are PayPal Credit, Affirm, Klarna, Afterpay, Bill Me Later and Zelle. Who can benefit from BNPL? Using a Buy Now Pay Later service can be beneficial for those who need to purchase an expensive item. However, you should not use the service to finance purchases you cannot afford to pay off. If you do not make your payments on time, your interest rate could increase and you may be charged late fees. Although there are many advantages to using an installment plan, you should keep a record of your payments. If you fail to make a payment, you'll therefore need to consider the charged late fees and your credit score could take a hit. It is also a good idea to keep a calendar set to track payments. Another way to avoid paying too much is to use autopay. Depending on the lender, you can set your payments to be automatically made on the dates you specify. This is especially important if you want to avoid a late payment. When using a Buy Now Pay Later service, in some cases, interest-free installments are available at your local retailers. However, this service may cost more than you bargained for. Some companies have longer repayment periods, but they may also charge fees. These fees will add up and may increase the amount you'll have to pay back. It's also important to consider the possibility of late fees and penalties if you miss a payment. If you make a purchase on a credit card and use a Buy Now Pay Later service, be sure that you understand the terms of the agreement. The best way to decide if a Buy Now Pay Later loan is right for you is to shop around and compare the different options available. Before signing up for any service, be sure that you thoroughly read and understand all the terms and conditions. What are the benefits of BNPL? One of the most important benefits is that BNPL allows consumers to buy items without having to pay for them immediately. You have the freedom to make your own schedule for when you want your payment due date, and you can make payments in installments. BNPL gives the opportunity for people with bad credit scores or no credit score at all, to access goods that they wouldn't otherwise be able to purchase because they can't get approved for loans or credit cards. Buy Now Pay Later offers are a great way to purchase expensive items such as furniture or appliances. Another benefit is that these offers allow you to spread out your payments over time so they are more manageable and less of a financial burden on your budget. BNPL services usually require a soft credit check. This means the lender won't report the information to credit bureaus. This will ensure you don't damage your credit score. However, it is important to make sure you meet the requirements of the lender. What are some of the drawbacks of BNPL? Buy Now Pay Later plans are not currently regulated by the U.S. Consumer Watchdog, the U.S. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB. BNPL programs have minimal oversight by federal regulators. This may be a disadvantage, as some programs are not required to disclose their terms. In addition, state regulators may not provide the same scrutiny. This means you may not receive the same consumer protections as with credit cards. Customers can lose track of how much they owe and what their payments are. They can also have trouble paying off their debt if they have a financial emergency. One of the main disadvantages of deferred payments is that these plans often come with an annual fee and high interest rates. If you don't repay your balance before the end of your deferred payment period, you will be charged interest on any remaining balance from day one, plus any new purchases made during that time. BNPL payments can lead to higher monthly payments and interest rates, which can lead to more debt over time. If you miss one payment, it could result in your account being reported as delinquent. Depending on the merchant, you may be charged a higher annual percentage rate. You should compare the interest rates of different providers before signing a contract. The length of the BNPL plan you choose can also be important. Shorter plans typically come with lower fees. However, longer terms may carry higher fees. A longer-term BNPL plan may require you to pay a fixed fee for each purchase. You may also be charged interest for larger purchases. You need to pay a fee for each transaction. Some companies can also charge additional fees for deferred payments, which can be a disadvantage if you choose this option. Lenders don't verify that borrowers can repay their loans. Also, there is no hard credit check. This means consumers could end up with several loans outstanding at the same time. Some BNPL services report only past due accounts to the credit bureaus. In conclusion, using a buy now pay later loan can help you finance large purchases. However, it's important to consider the costs associated with these loans before deciding whether or not to use them. Despite the growing popularity of this option, a recent study found that consumers are still confused about how a BNPL works. The best way to avoid a major financial blow is to carefully consider your budget before signing up for a BNPL plan. Buy now pay later plans don't affect your credit score as long as you make payments on time. However, missing a payment can hurt your score. You should set up only one account at a time, and use it carefully. Please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and click on the bell, it will help me a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.